In this video, let me show you how to fully delete a file on your MacBook Neo. Could be a PDF file, JPEG, video, doesn't matter. First of all, select the file you want to delete, and could be multiple ones. If you drag like this, you can select many. Let's say I want to delete these 3 pictures. Then once it's selected, you need to right click. If you don't have a mouse, you're going to simply tap with 2 fingers on the trackpad, and this menu will open. Next, you're going to go and select Move to Trash. All right, many people will stop here, but the file is not fully deleted. It's still in the trash can, and you can put it back at this point. Next step, okay, let me just open the trash can. As you see, these are all the files that are in the trash can currently. You don't have to open it. To delete what's on the trash can permanently, you simply have to go with the mouse over it, right click again, click with 2 fingers on it, and empty trash. Select empty trash, and this is it. The files have been completely deleted from your MacBook Neo, and you cannot put them back at this point. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment if this was helpful, comment if it wasn't, and tell me how I can improve it, and I'll see you in the next video.